If you drive an electric vehicle, having a home EV charger can make daily charging way more convenient and faster than relying on public stations. But with all the different models, choosing the right one can get a little overwhelming. So, in this video, I'll be going through the 7 best home EV chargers for 2025. Whether you're looking for something budget-friendly, compact, durable, or Tesla-compatible, there's something on my list for you. All the links to find the best prices will be in the description below. Also, the home EV chargers mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end to see which one suits you best. Number 7 is the Lectron Level 1 electric vehicle charger. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. If you're just getting started with electric vehicle charging, this one is the best pick for you. It's designed to be used with any standard 110-volt outlet, so you don't need any special installation. You can plug it in at home, work, or even on the go to have a convenient way to top up your electric vehicle's battery overnight. What sets this charger apart from other Level 1 chargers is its 16-amp capacity that allows you to add around 40 to 50 miles of range to your vehicle in a full overnight charge. This is 33% faster than the standard 12-amp chargers typically included with many electric vehicles. And it supports the SAEJ 1772 standard, so no matter whether you're driving a Ford, BMW, Nissan, or even a Tesla, this charger works for all of them. Another useful feature is its portability and lightweight, which makes it ideal for emergency situations or when you're traveling. Plus, it comes with smart features like a Wi-Fi enabled version, which allows you to track and control charging schedules via the Lectron app. This feature is great if you want to optimize energy usage or schedule charging during off-peak hours. Overall, if you don't want to invest in a more expensive Level 2 unit, but still want a budget-friendly, faster charger, this one is a solid pick for you. Number 6 is the Tesla Universal Wall Connector. This is the best option on our list for Tesla owners. This wall connector is compatible with all electric vehicles and can transition between Tesla's proprietary connector and the standard J1772. This flexibility means it's perfect for households with multiple types of electric vehicles. This charger delivers up to 44 miles of range per hour of charge, which makes it incredibly fast. At 11.5 kilowatt hours, it offers up to 48 amps of power, so it's great for fast charging even with larger batteries. Its durable construction and IP44 rating make it perfect for outdoor use, and you can connect the charger to your Wi-Fi and manage charging via the Tesla app. This allows you to schedule charging sessions, monitor energy consumption, and receive over-the-air updates for continuous improvements. Plus, for multi-vehicle households, you can also link multiple Tesla wall connectors, and the system will automatically manage the power distribution to each. Overall, if you want the flexibility to charge any EV while enjoying Tesla's seamless charging technology, it's a solid pick for you. Number 5 is the Wallbox Pulsar Plus. This is the best compact design EV charger on our list. Now, if you have a small space, this charger could be your solution. Despite its small size of about just a paperback book, it delivers up to 48 amps of charging power, and it can charge up to 8 times faster than a standard Level 1 charger, so you'll get plenty of range in a short amount of time. Another thing I like about this charger is its smart features. You can control it with the Wallbox app via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. This lets you schedule charging times, monitor energy usage, and even get notifications. Plus, you can also control this charger using voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, which is great for creating a fully integrated smart home experience. As Itsy Bitsy wrote, this EV charger is not very large, so it's not an eyesore, which is great. It's pretty simple in its function, but it charges fast. I like that the cord is long, as that makes reaching different vehicles in the same driveway easy, without the need to play musical cars. It pairs easily with the app and makes charging when it's most convenient and during off-peak hours, so you can save money more easily. Now, it also supports a wide range of power options, allowing you to adjust the amperage between 16 amps and 48 amps, depending on your home's electrical system. And if you ever need to charge more than one car, it can handle power sharing for multiple units. This charger also has a handy LED ring that changes colors to indicate the current charging status, which is not only functional but adds a sleek touch to its design. It's also built to last with a weather-resistant rating of IP54, so it can handle both indoor and outdoor installations without issue. Overall, if you are looking for a compact EV charger that is easy to use and reliable, this one is a solid option for you. Number 4 is the Autel Maxi Charger AC Elite Home 50 amp. This is the most flexible option on our list. It's a level 2 charger that delivers up to 50 amps of power, which makes it one of the fastest home charging stations available. Whether you're charging at home or work, it can deliver 9 times faster charging than a standard level 1 charger and gives you about 37 to 40 miles of range per hour of charging. What makes the Autel charger so flexible is its app integration. The Autel Charge mobile app lets you track, manage, and schedule your charging sessions so that you can take advantage of off-peak electricity rates and avoid high-cost charging times. Plus, you can adjust the output to match your home's power capacity, so you don't need to worry about costly electrical upgrades. The charger also offers Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and Ethernet connectivity for seamless over-the-air firmware updates. And with its durable 25-foot cable, it's easy to reach your car no matter where it's parked. So if you are looking for an EV charger that offers both flexibility and performance, this one is the best pick for you. And if you want to know the latest prices of the home EV chargers discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. That way I earn a small commission while the price stays the same for you, which is a nice way to support us in making more of these videos. Number 3 is the Grizzle E Classic Level 2. This is the most durable option on our list. Now, if you want something that will last no matter what the weather throws at it, this charger is the best option for you. It's made from heavy-duty aluminum and rated to withstand extreme conditions and can handle temperatures from minus 30 degrees Celsius to plus 50 degrees Celsius or minus 22 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. Plus, it's waterproof and fire-resistant with an IP67 rating. Another great feature of this charger is its adjustable amperage between 16 amps and 40 amps, so you can choose the right charging speed for your setup. At 40 amps, it delivers up to 30 miles of range per hour, so it's more than capable of keeping your EV charged quickly. It also offers easy installation as you just plug it into a NEMA 1450 outlet and it's ready to perform. Another great thing about this EV charger is its portability. It's easy to remove from the mounting bracket, so if you need to take it with you on the go or move it to another location, it's simple to do. Overall, if you are looking for a durable charger that can last for years, this one is your go-to option. Number 2 is the EVIQ Level 2 EV charger. This is the best value for money charger on our list. With a maximum output of 48 amps, this charger can add up to 50 miles of range per hour, and this makes it ideal for fast and efficient charging. One of the things I like about this charger is its intelligent app. The EVIQ app lets you monitor and control your charging, set schedules, and track energy consumption all from the palm of your hand. This is a huge advantage for anyone looking to save money by charging during off-peak hours or optimizing energy use. Plus, it's compatible with all J1772 equipped electric vehicles, including Teslas with an adapter, which makes it highly versatile, and the build quality is top-notch, with a durable, weatherproof design that can handle any climate. It also has an IP66 rating for water and dust resistance, making it perfect for both indoor and outdoor installations. Overall, if you are looking for a feature-packed EV charger, this one gives you the best value for money. Number 1 is the ChargePoint Home Flex. This is overall the best EV charger on our list. It's a powerhouse of a charger and offers up to 50 amps of charging power, adding up to 37 miles of range per hour, and it's incredibly flexible. You can adjust the amperage from 16 amps to 50 amps, so it's perfect whether you're in a home with a small electrical panel or a larger setup. Another thing I like about this charger is its integration with the ChargePoint mobile app. You can track your energy usage, set charging schedules, and even find nearby public charging stations through the app. Also, it's UL certified, Energy Star rated, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations, which makes it a safe, durable, and efficient option for any home. Plus, with the largest network of charging stations across North America, you'll have access to hundreds of thousands of locations when you're on the road. Overall, if you are looking for a charger that offers high performance and smart features, this one is the best option to buy on our list. And that's all for today's lineup. I hope this list helped you decide on the perfect home EV chargers for you. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. If you find an EV charger you like, don't forget to check the description for links to each model. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.